Alright guys, it's a new day. Today we're focusing on getting that rear quarter damage done, fixed. I've got the rear bumper, I've got a door, and I got to stick them inside the car or else I'm fucked. Alright guys, now we're getting back on schedule. Guys, so getting down to it, pretty much what it's gonna be is we're gonna have to go in and stud weld. And alright guys, so basically what's gonna happen is we're gonna go in, we're gonna start stud welding right around here. Apologize for the shake, but stabilizer's broken. So we're gonna go in, stud weld right across here, and right here it's kind of like soft. It's very tough, so we're gonna have to actually weld the bracket to it and pull it out. And then we're gonna use the new door to help shape the flow of this whole area. Alright guys, so what pretty much happened here was we went in, I cleared off all the paint so that we could weld onto it clearly. As you can see, we got right here the alligator clamp, which connects onto the frame. Now, I got my boss helping me with this because I've never done this before, but right here, we're going to need this alligator clamp and a big slide hammer that will pull it out for us. Other than that, this is pretty simple, as in like the concept's true, where you go in, you weld this down, and then you use it with the alligator clamp to pull out. Either if we can't do it with the sliding hammer, we're gonna have to use a frame machine or pull it out with another vehicle. Alright guys, back with another video or continuation video, not really sure. We already started the bondo work on the door. Sorry, I'm a little sick right now, but as you can see, we went in with the frame machine and took out everything that was really dented in right here. You can see the original door, how far we came out. You see right here, I haven't worked down this bondo. I only used it pretty much to seal the bare metal that was right here. I'll DA it today and I'll get this all clean, and I'll start the basis for what will be the finished product of this. So yeah, in the end, it will be 2K primer sealed, and it will be sealed up, and it will be nice and smooth, and I'll just leave it like that until I'm finally ready to paint the car. But yeah, let's get into it. The finished product will not be today, but in the end, when I have the finished product, it will be 2K primer sealed, and then I'll go over and have it buttery smooth, and just ready for when I need to paint. But yeah, let's get into it today. Check out the 135 though. Stupid beautiful. Man, that's a goal, big goal for one. What? Alright, first things first, DA. Alright guys, we're coming back from the shop. I got a lot done today. Couldn't perfect it just because it is a lot of work. There was a lot of body damage, but the good thing is we got that door finished. I wouldn't show you too much of that door, but it all came out really nice. It's pretty straightforward. I was just gonna switch out from a parts core that we had, a 328. It was a black door that I was just gonna swap out for that one, but the body damage came out real nice and it lines up, so I'm just gonna use that and save myself the time and hassle of switching out all the windows and everything. But yeah, so far good progress.